Hello and welcome to my channel, Real Food, Real Medicine. I'm Chef Dr. Margie, your independent consultant with Pampered Chef Products. What's up with the name, you might ask? Well, I'm a family physician with a secondary certification in obesity medicine. My goal with this channel is to help you improve your health through healthier diet and lifestyle. This channel is devoted to bringing you free product information, healthy recipes, and health tips. I would love to help you with your health challenges, so send me your recipes with your requests for a makeover and the challenge that you would like addressed, and I will send you over a healthier recipe. Whether that's with lower carbs, lower calories, low fat, whatever the challenge is, just send me your recipes and I will make them over for you. It's never too late to make improvements, and remember, this service is free. I'm here to serve you, so subscribe to my channel and send me your recipes to your health and health.